basically my room, I have tried to maintain the vastu. So like I tried to put my bed according to the vastu, and my almirah and my dressing, my work table, LCD TV, and everything according to vastu, and 99% I am successful in putting that. And if you believe in vastu, I think vastu is a scientific thing, and I really believe in it. So I've tried to put all my things according to the vastu. I'll start with my LCD stand. According to vastu, if you put your LCD stand in the east, like electronics and everything is connected to vastu. Firstly, according to vastu, you are not allowed to put any kind of electronics in your bedroom, but still, as according to this modern time, we have to put it. So I've just placed my LCD over here, but every night before sleeping I cover it and then I sleep. So here's my LCD stand, my home theater system. Everything is low in my bedroom because I've kept the theme of my room, like my bed is low, so I like low bed, so everything is low in my room. So my this LCD stand is also low. You can see the home theater down there. I've just put a terracotta pot over here and one peacock feather. I like peacock feather, so I've just put it there, and some this candle stands. These are very beautiful. I got it from a hometown. And this is remote and the woofer, the set-top box. So basically it's very minimal. I have tried to keep it very minimal and very simple because you know, keeping lots of things makes very difficult to maintain and clean. So I've kept very less things to make it clean easily. So now coming to the next corner, here is a sitting arrangement that I've made. So this is also a very beautifully handcrafted chair and a stool over there, and this is a beautiful lampshade. I've got it from Lifestyle Home Center. Yes, Home Center. So basically this looks like this, and here I've put some two beautiful terracotta work, this sun faces. Yeah, so if you sit over here and read something, you can just switch on this light and have your cozy corner. So this is a kind of cozy corner in my room. Yep, and just take a cup of coffee and put it over there and just have it and enjoy your coffee. Now turning to this, my bed. My bed is in the south position. According to vastu, you should always put your head over your south position, and you should have a wall behind your head. So I have this wall over here with two beautiful big windows. It's raining outside, so I'm very sorry I couldn't open the window. Next, I have a headboard also. I have a big mattress, so the headboard is a bit, you know, covered with that mattress, but I have a headboard also. So according to vastu, your bed should always have a headboard, and you should always place your head in the south, okay, and your legs should be facing the north. So here I have two cute bedside table. These are also low, very minimal makeover, like decor. Very useful things I've kept a bottle of water, the AC remote, and my tab, my iPod. That's all our picture. And this is the this lamp. This is a lampshade with this diffuser. I can put this oil over here in Buddha's head and some water, and then just light switch, put on the light, then it will diffuse a beautiful smell all over my room. I always put it in the night. It's really make you feel very relaxing. And then again I have there our picture. So this is the bed. just kept a bed cover over here. If I feel cold in the night, for the AC I just use it. So this is my bed. Again, I have another bedside table over there, very simple, very clear. I love keeping it minimal, so this is also very simple. I have this box over there. I bought it from Spencer's to keep all my knickknacks things and some important things, some mails and all. I put it over there so it doesn't get dirty also, and it's easy to clean. I have a beautiful flower vase. So according to Vastu, you should always balance your bed with two bedside tables, similar bedside tables. That brings balance in your life. Next, this is my cupboard. This is a huge cupboard over here. My cupboard is really very neatly decorated inside. I've put everything very nicely. If you want to see my cupboard, how I organize my clothes, so please comment in the down section below. I'll make another video regarding how I organize my cupboard. So I have this beautiful curtains over here. I got it from I think I got it from this Spencer's. Yeah, I got them from Spencer's. And the yellow one from M Bazaar, yellow one from the M Bazaar, and the pink, beautiful pink curtains from Spencer's. Yeah. Next, I'll tell you why I kept it pink, because I have this beautiful this fan, a big hand fan. I got it from Northeast Assam. And then here I have a beautiful dream catcher. I got it from Gangtok. So just to keep it a balance, you know, the color should balance your room. So I kept it pink. That's my attached bathroom. That's my workstation, very minimal again. That's my chair. That's my tripod and all. Next here is this. This is my dressing. I have a video how I organize my dressing table. So this is my dressing table, and always put your dressing table in the north side according to the Vastu. That's really very helpful for you. It makes your life more balancing. So I would suggest you that please maintain a Vastu in your bedroom that really brings happiness and prosperity and peace in your life. So yep, this is my room decor, my bedroom tour. And here is a hanger. Like when my hubby comes from office, he just hangs all his clothes over here and clean. So that's very important. Okay, now I'm thinking to get some more decorative things. Like I want to get some plants over my room. That's all. And this is the 360 view of my room. Very minimalistic decor and very neat and clean, my beautiful bedroom. So yep, thanks for watching, and please comment in the down section below what you like the most in this room. Thank you for watching. See you again in my next video. Till then, tada.